Good morning, everyone. This is Shauna, the Tax Goddess. Now that the government funding has effectively stopped, we don't know if we're going to get more. We don't know if there's going to be increases in EIDL loans. The government seems to be saying that, listen, the pandemic is effectively over, and you guys are kind of on your own now, right? We gave you a bunch of money. Go run your businesses. Go bring the economy back. With a lot of our business owners, they barely held on with the amount of money that was coming from the EIDL. So today we've got a list of top 5 places where spending might be getting a little bit out of control, or places that you should be looking to see if you can get some of your cash back, some of that bleeding that's happening coming out of your business. Now, one of the first things that I want you to be looking at is your marketing and advertising. I know, especially many of our business owners, when they got that EIDL money, they were looking at, okay, I need to get my business back off the ground. I need to get the word out. I need to do some marketing and advertising. Take a look at your marketing and advertising spend, okay? So we understand, of course, that marketing and advertising is very important for your business, but be looking at the return on investment on your actual campaigns. Should you be continuing to invest in these activities? Are they actually giving you that competitive advantage once the dust has now settled? Stretch hiring, okay? You might want to consider delay or avoiding expanding payroll, bringing on high-priced new staff, or that CEO, COO, either way, the CEO, the COO, any of the C-suite that is not going to immediately or very quickly impact your bottom line. If you're bringing on staff, you may want to consider pushing out that headcount unless you absolutely need it, okay? Now, the next one, check tech spend for any departed or laid off staff. So many businesses, of course, went all digital during the pandemic, and some of them have gone back to brick and mortar, or maybe now it's a combination between brick and mortar and digital. Be looking at some of the subscriptions. Again, are you getting that ROI? Are they really being used, or was it just something that you used temporarily and now it's been put on a shelf? Do you have any laid off staff that still have subscriptions to things that you can cut down or get rid of? Absolutely something to keep your eyes on. Now, the next one, pull revenue forward. So can you get any customers who pay you monthly or quarterly to go on an annual plan? Can you give them maybe a small discount to have them prepay in advance for the year? Can you get any cash? Will this help you maybe extend your cash life a little bit? Now, the only downside to this one, of course, if you get the money now, you don't have the money later, okay? So I'm all about getting more money. However, you need to make sure that you are in tandem reducing your expenses on that front. Now, finally, our number 5 here is don't become a bank, okay? Every business starts to worry when there's an economic downturn like we're having now. Every business starts to worry about being paid on time. So you really have to tighten up your accounts receivable. Make sure that your clients aren't stretching their bills as well. Make sure you're staying on that AR, because accounts receivable can absolutely crush a business, especially if you've got payroll going out the door and no accounts receivable coming in the door. You can get sandwiched in the middle, and that's the end of that. Okay, so guys, I hope these tips were helpful. But of course, if you have any questions, Tax Goddess is not only a tax strategy firm, but we are a CPA firm as well. And so we do really enjoy providing advice and knowledge across the financial board for our clients to see how we can help you stay in business, grow business, make more money, and keep more money using tax strategy. So if you are looking for help in any of those areas, don't hesitate to reach out. In the meantime, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later. All right, bye.